Hello people and welcome back to another amazing episode on PEI Dashcam channel. We'll kick this one off with a heated road rage between a biker and a driver. Check this one out.
क्या कर रहे हो यार? कैमरे में आ रहा है। क्या कर रहे हो आप? हैं? आप कहाँ से देख रहे हो? बिल्कुल राइट साइड से, लेफ्ट साइड से देख रहा हूँ अंकल। कैमरे में आ गया पूरा। कैमरे में आ रहा है। ऊपर से भाग भी रहा, गलती भी नहीं मान रहे आप अपनी। एटलीस्ट आपको अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए। हैं? क्या शांति से क्या चलते? कैमरे में पुलिस में हूँ, यूट्यूब पे देख लेना अपने आप को, उल्लू का पट्टा।
This cyclist was just trying to mind his own business and enjoy a nice day cycling on his bike, but unfortunately a crazy driver had to spoil it all. Make sure to stick till the end for this one, because it's going to be epic. Here you can see the erratic driving from this crazy driver. He tried to push the biker off the road on multiple occasions, and this can be characterized as an assault with a deadly weapon. Check out what happened after this, when they both stopped at the next traffic lights.
Right here. What do you want? Huh? Got your whole camera. Go ahead, kid me. Good. You drive like an idiot? That's the guy right there in the white Range Rover. That's the asshole that tries to kill a guy on a bicycle. Good job. Well, that's why you stopped, huh? Because you know you're wrong, idiot.
Semi-truck driver was simply doing his job, but he never thought that he'd caught something crazy as this on his dashcam. For some crazy reason, this truck driver sideswiped a lady in an SUV. She was clearly shaken up since she had no idea why he did it, and a police officer even later on got the crazy truck driver. This rude SUV driver uses the right turn lane to pass a queue of vehicles. Also, he could be in front and avoid a traffic rush. Camera caught some really bad driving maneuvers and decisions made in traffic by other drivers. Make sure to pay attention and learn from these mistakes. Camera caught two rude drivers making an illegal and a really dangerous pass over a double-studded yellow line. Pay close attention at the right side of the camera. There was a driver who is about to abruptly change lanes without indicating or looking at his mirrors, and that nearly cost him heavily. Camera came to the traffic lights and, since it was red, he stopped, but the driver who approached him from behind didn't bother looking since he was too busy checking his phone, and it came to a rear-end accident.
I guess. Seriously.
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another amazing episode on Core on Dashcam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes in this episode. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that will really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode guys, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open.